This is my S&M dirt bike check. I'm gonna work my way from the front, heading to the back. S&M logo grips, fit sky high bars, stolen convict stem, Sputnik V3 headset, Alienation rim, fit bike 2.25, thick wheels, stock fit bike hub, dirt bike frame, stolen 25 tooth sprocket, FSA, Nasty Boys V2 cranks, Haro PC pedals, Crappy Weedman rim, stock fit bike cassette hub, Primo bottom bracket, seat clamp, S&M seat clamp, nitrous seat. This is my cruising seat, Colt seat, pivotal, fit bike seat post, pivotal. Please subscribe, leave some comments, ask questions, whatever.